How can you make your Instagram generate traffic, sales and customers for you 24/7, also when you sleep? What do you need to do when you want to get results on Instagram immediately? If you don't know where you're going, it might take really years before you figure out how it works. Therefore, the course on 8 ways to monetize your account can really bring you results immediately after you finish the course. And you can use Instagram for promoting your existing business or starting a new business from scratch. In both cases, this course is for you. In this course, you can learn 8 ways to monetize your account as well as ways to grow your Instagram organically. This week, you can get this course with a 25% discount. The link to the course is in the description below. After this course, you will be able to set up your Instagram account so that it sells. You will be able to create your content plan so that it brings value to your clients. You will learn copywriting tips that bring you sales. You will create your campaign strategy that brings you customers. You will be able to create a business that you love. You will learn a new skill of making money online. You will be able to provide value for people and change people's lives. You will be able to get new friends and new opportunities because you will get to know so many people. You will create income that will provide for your life and pay your bills. And you will have the freedom you want. You can use all your creativity in your business. Also this week I provide a free bonus video on Instagram Reels strategy. The link to this video is in the description below, so check it out. And the link to my course on 8 ways to monetize your account is also in the description below. I wish you all the best on your path of creating the business that you love and also on your personal development, because both are very important for your happiness, for your success. Freedom is joy. And if this video was useful for you, please give it a like and leave me a comment. Share this video with other people and save it for later. Meanwhile, watch some other videos of mine on business and self-development, and don't forget to check out the useful links below. And I hope to see you in my class.